Hello everyone, welcome to Abipravi. In this video, we are going to teach you how to unpack zip files in Python. Before getting into the video, please subscribe our channel. First import the module called shuttle and then shuttle.unpack archive within the parentheses the file name to be unpacked with extension and then comma and name of the extension. Save the file and run. Now you can see the file is unpacked. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, give like any queries, comment and hit the subscribe button below. Share this video to make someone helpful.